Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Global Income Hub. Have you heard about Chatgpt? This powerful AI tool is creating huge opportunities for people to make money online. Some people are already using AI to build businesses that generate hundreds of dollars per day. Just like smartphones created new opportunities years ago, AI is creating a brand new wave of online businesses. In this video, I'll share 5 AI business ideas you can start today with little or no investment. Idea number 5, AI branding agency. Businesses need names, slogans, website content, and branding. ChatGPT can help create all of these in minutes. Simply gather information from clients and use AI to generate professional branding materials. Idea number 4, AI freelance writing. Many websites and businesses need articles and blog posts. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas, outlines, and complete articles quickly. Then sell your writing services on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Idea number 3, publish books on Amazon. ChatGPT can help write nonfiction books, guides, and ebooks. Once completed, publish them on Amazon KDP and earn royalties from every sale. Idea number 2, faceless YouTube channel. Use AI to find trending topics, create video ideas, and write scripts. Combine the scripts with stock footage and voiceovers to create videos without showing your face. Idea number 1, YouTube support agency. Many YouTubers need help with video ideas, titles, keywords, and scripts. Offer these services using AI and charge monthly fees. Just a few clients can turn this into a full-time income. The AI revolution is happening right now. The sooner you start, the bigger your opportunity. Pick one idea, take action today, and start building your online income. And that's it. 5 powerful AI business ideas you can start today with little to no investment. The biggest mistake most people make is watching videos like this and never taking action. Don't let that be you. Pick one idea, focus on it, and start today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe my YouTube channel, Global Income Hub, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI and online income strategies. Comment below and tell me which AI business idea you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.